In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dollar cost averaging on Coinbase. Dollar cost averaging is a simple strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money on a regular schedule, no matter what the market is doing. The goal is to smooth out the effects of price swings over time by buying more when prices dip and fewer units when prices rise. To get started, open the Coinbase app or go to the Coinbase website and sign in. From the home screen, head to the Buy and Sell section. This is where you'll place your orders and set up recurring purchases. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, such as Bitcoin or another asset you're comfortable with. Make sure you understand what you're buying and why it fits your plan. Dollar cost averaging works best when you're thinking in months and years, not days and weeks. Now, instead of placing a one-time order, look for the option to set up a recurring purchase and toggle on Invest Weekly. This tells Coinbase to automatically place a buy for you every week. Decide on a fixed amount that fits your budget and that you can stick with consistently. Remember, consistency is what makes this method effective. Select your payment method. You can use a linked bank account, a debit card, or PayPal. Bank accounts often have lower fees but may settle more slowly. Debit cards and PayPal are typically faster but can have higher fees. Pick the option that balances cost and convenience for you. Before you finalize anything, choose Preview Buy. Take a careful look at the details: the asset, the weekly amount, the payment method, the schedule timing, and the fees that will apply to each purchase. If everything looks right, select Buy Now to activate the schedule. That's it. Your weekly invests are set, and Coinbase will handle the rest automatically. A few important considerations. Standard Coinbase fees apply to every recurring purchase, so factor that into your total cost over time. If you want to change the amount or the frequency later, you can't edit an existing schedule. You'll need to cancel the recurring buy and create a new one. And remember the main benefit of this approach. By spreading purchases out, you reduce the impact of short-term volatility and let time in the market work in your favor. If you ever need to pause your plan, simply cancel the schedule and start fresh when you're ready. Keep an eye on your budget, ensure your payment method has sufficient funds each week, and stay consistent.